Stare at the center of this oddly colored flag for 5 seconds or so. Then look at this white space. The after image is a properly colored flag. How odd. Understanding how these colors leave an after image like this was a clue to early researchers about how color vision works. Here is the plan for what we will cover in this video. The sensation of color begins with the cones in the retina. The cones sense different wavelengths of light and generate nerve impulses, which undergo a first step of processing by ganglion cells also in the retina. The nerve impulses are then carried to the brain, where color information gets further processed into color opponent channels, which ends up creating the colors you see. Light from the outside world is focused by the cornea and lens. Within the eye, the retina is the part that senses light, with specialized cells called rods and cones. As the photoreceptors receive the light, that triggers a nerve impulse that is sent along the optic nerve back to the brain. If we take a piece of retina and examine it under a microscope, it looks like this. The retina is a layer of nerve tissue that contains 3 layers of cells: ganglion cells on the top, bipolar cells in the middle, and located in the bottom cell layer are the photoreceptors, the rods and cones, so named because of their shapes. The cones function in bright light and give us our color vision. In dim light, rods give us grayscale vision like this. They do not contribute to color vision in daylight. Within the retina, here is how the circuitry is organized. Each cone is connected to other nerve cells in the retina. Usually the output of several photoreceptors is gathered by a ganglion cell that sums the response for that area of the retina. The area of cones that feed into a ganglion cell is called a receptive field. In the fovea, with the finest detail vision, it is 1 cone to 1 ganglion cell.
The opponent process theory states that you actually have pairs of receptors: red-green, blue-yellow, and black-white. So trichromatic, mixed blue, green, red, opponent process, you have pairs.